Today I'll be going through a quick video tutorial on how to use SAP Report Transaction ZBIN. ZBIN is used to report on inventory or bin stock statuses for a given warehouse. So once you log into your SAP GUI, you'll get to your easy access screen, and in your access transaction window, you'll enter transaction ZBIN. The first screen you'll see is your selection criteria. You have the ability to put a warehouse. It is required, storage type, specific bin. If you only want to see bins with stock, you would select this. If you deselect it, it will show you both empty and full bins. You have the ability to see just things that are blocked or unblocked. And then you have a display variant that you can enter for a basic format. And I'll show you how to modify those formats once we get to the output screen. Okay, so for this specific instance, I'm going to go ahead and say, let me look at Plant 46's warehouse. Now when I pull down on my storage type, only the storage types for the warehouse given will be shown. So I'm going to show flyer tier A, and I only want to see bins with stock in them. So I have my FLA storage type and my storage bin, and I hit execute. So here you'll get your stock information, bin, material, customer code, probably more applicable for finished products. Most importantly, available stock, total stock, pick quantity, and put away quantity, which gives you your complete inventory picture. This is an ALV grid type output. And what that means is a lot of the SAP reports are in this format, sort of like Excel. You can export it to Excel. You can drag and drop the columns into specific orders. And then just like most of the transactions, you could save the layout, and those changes would be reflected the next time you run it. You'll notice when we put in our selection criteria, it was calling for our default output. So here's all your layouts. If you remember what your layout is, you could put it on the selection screen, or you can change it from here, either or. You can also add information. You can do that here. I'm going to add storage type. Here's the left-hand column, shows you the columns that are there already in the output. The columns on the right are the fields that you could potentially add. So I'm going to say, show me storage type, and I'm going to hit enter. I could have saved it from there. And here's my storage type. Okay. If I wanted to remove these two numbers, columns, I can do it two ways. Go back in here, adjust those two out, or a little shortcut is to just go ahead and select these, right click and hit hide. Now remember, if you want to keep your output, you have to save it. Okay, your totaling, subtotaling is also supported here, and your exports to Excel, filtering and sorting, just like the other ALV type reports, are available. Details on the bin are also available by selecting the hyperlink. If you have any questions, always send us a question at support@pcf.com. Thank you.